Epdare.com claims to offer attractive deals and low prices. But is it actually legit, or should you stay away? Let's find out. When I first came across Epdare.com, the website looked clean and modern. It features a variety of products and many of the prices seem surprisingly low. That can definitely grab your attention. But low prices alone don't mean a website is trustworthy. One thing I always check is the amount of information the company provides. A legitimate online store should clearly list its contact details, return policy, shipping information, and customer support options. If any of these are missing or difficult to find, that's usually a warning sign. Another important step is looking for real customer reviews. Independent review websites can reveal a lot about other shoppers' experiences. If you notice repeated complaints about delayed shipping, poor product quality, missing refunds, or no response from customer service, it's worth being extra careful. I also recommend checking the website's security. Before entering any personal or payment information, make sure the address starts with HTTPS. This helps protect your data during checkout. While HTTPS doesn't guarantee a site is trustworthy, every legitimate online store should have it. If you're thinking about placing an order, don't rush. Try searching for recent reviews, look up the website's reputation, and see how long the domain has been active. New websites aren't automatically scams, but it's always smart to do a little research first. Whenever I shop from a store I haven't used before, I prefer paying with a credit card or a trusted payment service that offers buyer protection. That way, if something goes wrong, I have a better chance of getting my money back. So, is Epdare.com legit? Based on what I've seen, it's best to approach it with caution until you've verified recent customer feedback and the store's reliability. A few minutes of research today could save you a lot of frustration later.